Hi traders, welcome to Stock Trisha. Today we will discuss few stocks that may give good movement in the coming days. So let's start our analysis. The first stock in my radar is Infi. It's an IT company. The last week, the overall market was bleeding and it was under a severe profit booking. But IT sector was a sector which was supporting the market and which was preventing the further damages. In the daily chart of Infi, you can see that the stock was having resistance around the region of 1830, that is 1830, and it traded below that region for almost 60 trading sessions, 56-60 trading session. And in the last trading session, stock gave a breakout above that. And you can see that there is a spike in volume and there was a big gap up in the last 5 days, which is a positive sign in this bearish market. Hence, in the coming days, if we see further buying or bullishness in this Infi stock, then you can plan for long trade. There are two possibilities. One is it may move further from here, or it will just come down in order to fill this gap and then it will rally. So, if there is a buying activity happening above this zone, you can plan for long trade. The second stock that we are tracking is Persistent System. In the daily chart, you can see that the stock was facing a resistance around the region of 4500. Here in the chart, you can clearly see that. And after almost 60 trading sessions, stock gave a breakout above that zone. And also, breakout was with good volume. So, in the coming trading session, if we see further bullishness, that is buying from this zone, so we can plan for long trading Persistent System as well. The third stock that is in my watch list is Metropolis Healthcare. In the daily chart, you can see that the stock was facing a resistance around the region of 300 and 320, 350 zone. And after almost 140 trading sessions, currently stock is at important hurdle zone. In the chart, you can clearly see that the stock was taking a support from a trend line, which is a clear indication of bullishness or interest of buyers in the market. Hence, if you are getting a breakout above this zone, then we can plan for long trade. So these are the stocks that's in my radar for buying activity. Remember one thing, if the market sentiment is turned from bearish to bullish, these stock may perform well. Why? Because in the bearish market, it didn't fell much, moreover it was showing the strength. So if market sentiment is turned from bearish to bullishness, these stock may perform very well. And if the market sentiment is continued to be bearish, then always during the trade, always try to trail your SL and protect your profit so that you won't get any damages in your P&L. Now we will discuss the stocks that is my selling radar. The first stock in my selling radar is Jubilant Food. In the daily chart of Jubilant Footwear, you can clearly see that the stock gave a breakout above the zone of 3550 and it went till almost 4600 region. From the DS took the charge and there you can see that there's a severe selling pressure and it again reached the level of 3550 and it took support, and currently it is showing some bearishness and trading around the region of 3550. Hence, in the coming trading session, if the stock gave a breakdown below this region, you can plan for short trade in Jubilant Food, either in positional basis or in intraday basis as well. The second stock in my selling radar is Voltas. In the daily chart of Voltas, you can clearly see that the stock has a supply demand zone around the region of 1130. And currently the stock is showing some bearishness and is trading around this region. Hence, in the coming trading session, if you are getting a breakdown below this zone, then we can plan for short trade in Voltas, either in positional basis or in intraday basis. The last stock that we are tracking is Titan. In the daily chart of Titan, you can see that the stock was in a good bull run. Here you can see that the stock was in a good bull run. And stock made a high of around 2700, and from there a severe sell-off took place, and currently it is forming a descending triangle with a support around the region of 2280. So in the coming trading session, if we are getting a breakdown below this zone, then we can plan for short trading Titan either in positional basis or in intraday basis as well. These are the 6 stocks that we are tracking and in our radar. You can also add these stocks to your watch list and can track. I hope this video provides some value to you. If you find it valuable, please like and share. Once again, thanks for watching and hope you have a good profitable week ahead. Thank you.